Finally, we got all the parts in that we need to start building our new robot. In this video, we're gonna do a quick unboxing of all the components and explain to you how we're gonna use them to build this new robot. Let's get to it. Let's get started with the Latte Panda Car. This is one that I've been waiting for and I think it's pretty cool. So this card is actually able to run a full version of Windows in this small little device. Let's open it up and see what's in it. Oh, and by the way, we are going to be opening the actual robot kit at the end, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. Okay, so let's see what we're having here. I would imagine that this is the wireless antenna. So this is what comes in this box. Time to take action. Okay, let's open this up. Break it, and you can see there that it says 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage. This is the version that comes with the Windows 10 Home license. We actually wanted to be able to remote into this thing. Unfortunately, Windows Home Edition does not allow for you to remote into the operating system. So you either have to have Windows Pro or Windows Enterprise. So we might have to upgrade the version of Windows that this runs. For us to get Windows Enterprise, we had to go to the 4 gig and 64 gigs of storage version of the card, which pretty much almost doubled the cost. So we decided just to go with the version 1 and the smaller version possible for now, just to be able to test. Let's get to the next one. Oh, so this is actually not really an unboxing, but it's just one more component that we are going to be using. This is a 12-volt battery, 600 milliamp. And this is going to be powering the whole robot once we have it installed. This is a little speaker that is going to be installed in the robot and is going to be giving us feedback. So whenever we speak to it and it has a response programmed, this is how the sound is going to be coming out of the robot. This is not anything expensive. We wanted to see how much it would cost to build a budget robot. This is a simple USB powered speaker. And let's see what it looks like. So compared to the size of my hand, this is how big it is. So I would imagine that on Windows, this is going to show up as another audio device that you can send sound to. And this is how we're going to communicate with the robot. This is a wireless microphone. So this part here is what connects to the computer, in this case, the Latte Panda card. It's actually not going to be connected directly to the Latte Panda card. It's going to be connected to a USB hub, which we don't have here, but that's the plan. And it has a power button and a plus and minus. I would imagine that's for the gain. And it also comes with, I guess this you can mount it around your neck. Yeah, I guess this is if you don't want to be holding it. I guess this, you can place it around your neck. Oh, there we go. USB wireless microphone headset. Oh, and I didn't mention this. So this comes with a USB adapter, USB Type A and USB Type C. Okay, so next we have, we actually ordered the Latte Panda card from this company, DF Robot. We're not sponsored, just letting you guys know this is where we got the Latte Panda card. And from that same site, we also got a motor shield. The robot has 4 wheels, 4 motors, so therefore we got the quad channel motor shield. And you can see here, from the same, it has the same branding as the site where we bought it from. Okay, and now we get to the most exciting one. So this is not something that we recently got. This is something that actually Lee had for a while. As you can see, it's an all-terrain robot kit. big fat wheels, 4 motors, and you can see here that it has a really good suspension system. We might not be able to get a sense of all the pieces. There's a lot of pieces. This is, I would say, maybe at least 10 pounds. As you would imagine, we have the wheels. Look at the size of these wheels. They have some kind of foam inside. Or actually, these are not the wheels. These are the tires, and these are the wheels. There we go. So we have 4 wheels, 4 tires. Look at all this hardware. I see some bearings there. Wow, this is really aluminum channel. Acto Robotics. And I think this, they seem, well, no, they don't seem to be 3D printed, or are they? No, I don't think so. Okay, this is heavy. So the motors are the heaviest thing. So let me take one out. So there's 2 here. There's another 2 motors in here. Let me put the box on the side. Let's look at one of these motors. Oh wow, this is easily at least a pound. Planetary gear motor, 313 RPM, 12 volts. There are the connectors. So there you have it. So this is a whole bunch of hardware that we're going to be using to build the next robot, as we usually do on the channel. And if, by the way, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so you see all the updates. We will be publishing progress videos every step of the way, the same way that we've done with Antwerp, the other robot. And by the way, if you haven't watched those videos, I'll leave a link to one of the videos in the description. Hope this was exciting. We are going to start building this soon, and I can't wait to share with you the progress that we've made. Catch in the next one. And this comes with a microphone. Oh, maybe I should use this to record never mind. Perfect. I don't think I want to be wearing it like this, but that's pretty cool.